To help students set goals, teachers can create goal-setting assignments in Classkick. After students reflect at the beginning of the year, students can self-evaluate their progress by revisiting this assignment. Teachers and peers can provide feedback as well. Within each assignment, students can also set personal goals that they and their teachers assess, monitor, and reflect on progress made. In this assignment, out of 10 points, the student has created a goal of 8 points. She can track her progress across the assignment, while her teacher is also tracking all students' progress and providing real-time feedback. Midway through the assignment, her teacher has asked her to reflect on her learning so far. At the end of the assignment, she is provided with a link to revisit her classroom goals. Want to help your students set goals and track their progress? Try Classkick for free at classkick.com.